Today is the day that everyone that is into Supreme has dreamed of. 2 box logos are releasing on the same day. Yes, a hoodie and a t-shirt. So many questions come to my mind, like which one should I go for? Should I use Apple Pay or PayPal? Will there be a slider? Is there going to be a button? What kind of crap are they gonna make me draw now? The answer to these and so many other questions are just around the corner. Actually, it's just at my computer, and it's that way.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
All right, boys, we are here at the computer. We are ready to cop some box logos today. Who's excited and who's coming with me?
Get in.
2 minutes before the drop, we're gonna go right to t-shirts, and then we're just gonna sit here and refresh. 1 minute to go. I put one task in Turo. I don't have a lot of faith. It's not giving me any reason to have faith in it lately. I am gonna start this task though right now. Let's do it. We'll see what kind of protection they have on the site. We are 30 seconds away. 30 seconds away. It is time for us to get a box logo. It's gonna be right here. We're gonna load in on it. I'm gonna grab a white large. I'm gonna go white large, and while we got this open here, I'm gonna get on the phone too. Shoot. We are right here. Online shot update. Boom. We're gonna go for it. Get in the large. Add it to cart. Drag to complete. And it's sold out immediately. Sweet. Oh my god. So that was sold out immediately. Oh, we just had a problem. Added it to cart. Sold out immediately again. Sold out immediately again. Added it to mobile right now. It's sold out right now. Okay, let's where's that rugby sweater? Where's that rugby sweater? I'm sure it's gone too, right? Oh, they all have it. And that's all sold out. Everything from Burberry is sold out. I find that hard to believe. Everything from Burberry is sold out immediately? Holy shit, boys. Is there just a problem? Are we having a problem? Is that what it is? Like, I'm not sure. Like, everything just says sold the fuck out immediately. Like, how did people add stuff to their cart so quickly? I would just keep, I'm just gonna keep going. Everything's adding to cart and then it's gone. So, it looks like it's glitched. It looks like there's a big glitch problem, honestly, going on. Oh my god. Got it on mobile. We got something on mobile. We got something going on mobile. It's cooking on Apple Pay. 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 It's not cooking on Apple Pay. It lied to me. Now I'm done. Damn it, I had it. I had that shit. Come on, check it out, man. Check that shit out. Let's go. Please fucking do this. God damn it, please do this. God damn it, please do this. I love you. Please. Keep shouting. What the fuck? What is going on? This is messing me up. It's making me very angry. Please process this payment. I love you. Please, God. There was a problem. I know there's a problem. Why aren't you working? I have read the conditions. Apple Pay, please process the payment. Please, somebody. I'm please waiting in a bunch of places. Please wait. Check out now. Fuck you. What the fucking hell, man? Oh god, this fucking site. You know what? I'm going for it. Oh shit. I don't want that. Oh god damn it, I hate this fucking site. I hate this crap. Even the water bottle's sold out. Isn't that funny? Jesus Christ. Well, there you go. Big fucking L. At the end of the day, if you were able to cop anything from this Burberry collaboration, you're probably going to be very, very happy. I would not sell it right away. I would hold this stuff. It's very rare. Unless you get a great offer right away, like I said, just hold that stuff and be happy that you were able to cop because you are better than me. Even though I'm a big, huge failure, I'm so stoked to see how much success folks in the Discord had. And so these are all the successes in the Fauntleroy's Finest Discord. You can see how much everybody copped in there. The group is growing a lot. There's a lot of smart people in here. And guess what? It is all 100% free 99. All you have to do is hit the link in the description of this video, and you too can join the coppin' train like all these folks did, and even get yourself an Angels hooded sweatshirt. Awesome job. Congrats. I failed, but you guys killed it. Sweet.
And his name is John C.
It's quite obvious that I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to make a credit card purchase, apparently.
Fucking A, the gentleman has a major credit card.
That's right, man. Don't take any guff from these fucking swine.
This season has been all kinds of wild shit. This is a 3-game drought right now. 3 games right in a row. Absolutely nothing. Have I lost it? Is it over for me? Should I retire from this? Should I give the channel away to somebody else and take this dream and go with it?
You're a fraud, a charlatan, and a rogue, sir.
The one thing I can say was that so many of you guys out there represented Fauntleroy's finest. I saw a ton of W's in the Discord. I had a bunch of people in the comments already share their W's this morning. So many of you guys out there were successful today, and at the end of the day, I can kind of cop vicariously through all of you folks out there.
What do you say we go out on a date? Have some chicken, maybe some sex. You know, see what happens.
It was a day riddled with L's for me, but there was one gigantic W for the channel, and that is that we did hit, this morning, 750 subscribers.
No, Kelly Clarkson!
Well, he should calm down a little bit, but it is an exciting thing. So that means be on the lookout for the raffle video, and that's the video that'll tell you how you can get entered in and be eligible for the drawing.
Anyone ever tell you look like a penis with a little hat on?
Well, I'm gonna go bang my head into the wall now, but if you haven't gotten your fix of Fauntleroy's finest, you can check out these videos here.
I wanna talk about crypto. I'm tryna lead that boy bloody. Like Brian when he threw that elbow.